In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and save your Eventbrite order list. We'll walk through the exact path inside Eventbrite to get a clean file of your orders, plus a quick print-friendly version you can save. This is helpful for sharing with your team, backing up your records, or doing light reporting without jumping into more advanced tools. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Eventbrite website. Make sure you're signed in to the organizer account that owns the event you want to work with. Once you're in, go to your organizer dashboard and locate the specific event. On the event card or within the event dashboard, look for the three-dot menu. Click that, then choose Edit. This takes you into the event's editing and management area where all the key tools live. In the left-hand navigation, find the section labeled Managed Attendees. Click that, then select Manage Orders. This page lists all of the orders associated with your event. It's a great place to confirm you're looking at the right data before exporting. If you have multiple events, double-check the event name at the top so you're not pulling the wrong list. On the Manage Orders page, look for the Export option. Click Export and you'll be prompted to choose a file type. Select the format that works best for your workflow. CSV is common if you plan to open the data in spreadsheets or import it somewhere else, while other formats may be easier for quick viewing. After selecting the file type, Eventbrite will prepare your export. If your event has many orders, give it a moment to complete. Next, click Print Preview. This generates a clean, printer-friendly view of the orders you're seeing. From here, you can save it directly using your browser's print dialog. On most browsers, choose Print, then change the destination to Save as PDF. Pick a clear file name, choose a folder you'll remember, and save. This PDF is useful when you want a quick snapshot of orders that's easy to share or reference without opening a spreadsheet. That's it. You've reached the finish line. You went to Eventbrite, opened your event, navigated through Managed Attendees to manage orders, exported your data in the file type you prefer, and created a print preview you can save. A couple of quick tips before you go. Keep your exports labeled by date so you can track versions, and store your PDF and file export together for easy cross-referencing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you streamline your Eventbrite workflow.